Hola! Hello all my lovely people out there. Today I've done a very different taco recipe. The tortilla for this, you can find the recipe on whole wheat quesadilla. Just substitute the whole wheat to cornmeal. It's very simple again. It's different because the filling is with chickpeas and corn. It's a little spicy and the dressing is with lime crema. Serve it with a lime wedge on the side and pickled onions. It's really nice. We make it often when we are bored of our regular khana. It's good then, and also for a starter for parties. So for the appetizer, if you want to serve it, make them much smaller. So give it a try. Do like, do subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications. All the recipes are given in the description box below. Have a look. Let's get rolling with our lime crema for our tacos. For that, we'll take a mixer grinder. In that, we're going to put some fresh coriander, garlic cloves, pepper, and a bit of salt. Don't add too much salt because there's going to be mayonnaise in this. Let's try and grind this to a fine paste as much as possible without water. I've ground the coriander. To that, we're going to add some mayonnaise. You can take vegan mayonnaise also if you feel like. We're going to churn this in the mixie again. Here's the lime crema. Keep it in a separate bowl. We're going to use this when we assemble our tacos. Let's make the filling for our tacos. For that, heat a pan. To the pan, add some oil. Once the oil heats up, we are going to be adding some chickpeas. It was soaked and boiled and the water has been drained. Here is some sweet corn. I've boiled it, adding that. We're going to be roasting the sweet corn and the chickpea for 3 to 4 minutes. After roasting it for a couple of minutes, we're going to add some spices. Let's add pepper powder, cayenne powder, red chili powder, else you can use paprika too. Adding salt to taste. Let's saute it for a couple of minutes so our spices can get cooked. In the end, we're going to add some lemon juice. Sauteing it for a minute or two and then we are done, keeping it aside till we assemble our tacos. I have made some all-purpose flour and corn tortillas. The recipe for this is in the whole wheat quesadilla recipe. Just exchange it for corn flour instead of whole wheat. Now to the tortilla, we're going to take the chickpea filling which we had made and add that. Add as much as you feel like, it's up to you. Over the chickpeas, the lime crema which we had made, that's going to go. So this you do, if you have a piping bag, it'll be easier for you. You're going to take some pickled onions and top it with that. You can also top it with jalapenos if you like. We like jalapenos, so we're going to be doing that. This is it, very simple. You can add more filling and serve it with a lemon wedge on the side. This makes a really nice meal. It's balanced and very nutritious. Thank you.